All right, guys, it's your boy Ferris still on, and I am coming to you live here from my home office, bringing you a close look at a referral frenzy. Now, like I said, I've been a big proponent of using Safelist, and one of the things that I'm finding out is that it's kind of hard to go through all of these Safelist and the ones that you're going to actually utilize and use. Now, one of the things that I've been going through is utilizing viral mailers like Viral List. List Impact is one of them. Viral Mail Profits. And one of the reasons why I'm utilizing this platform is because it's one place where you can send your mails to all of your mailers at one time. Instead of you going through all of them and trying to log in and go through all of them, you kind of can go through and hit your email list, hit the list through platforms like these. But the one I wanted to concentrate on the more was Referral Frenzy. $15 a month. You can come through here and set up service that will send out mails to all of these places without you having to sweat, without you having to lose your mind trying to get your list, trying to get your message out to folks, and trying to by mailing each and every last one of these all at different times. Instead, you could just sit here, sign up for them. You click this little click. When you come back here, you go to this tab and click all of them right there. When you get ready to go, you click send mail, and then you go down to the bottom of it. Some of them will require you to still, if you're not an upgraded account, depending on the mailer that you're using, will still require you to click through ads if you're not an upgraded member of that site. I kind of try to go through all of them and try to find the ones that will have lifetime membership for $20 or $30, and that will help you get your email off and shoot your email off to folks. And most of the time, I am stuck clicking ads just to make sure that I get my ads off through these things, because it's a pain. It's a pain to try to do it all by at once. So my suggestion to you, sign up for this and become a full-time member. It's $15, and then go through all of these things and sign up, because traffic exchanges are cool, but safe lists are a really cool deal, because you have actual people are going through this, and they're going through their emails, and they open rate, depending on your ad, if it appeals to them, they will sign up. Because I have been one to go through emails. I was like, well, I'm gonna go through their email, and then I'll see something I like and sign up for it, because it's a platform I can use, or it's a business that I like, or whatever have you, or something I can add to my streams of income that I'm mailing out with. So, but I still have a lot to go. Holy crap, I have a lot to go. A lot. And that's one of the things that that's another one thing. Signing up for these, you don't want to sign up for all of them at one time either on this one either, because that can get to you too. But you want to try to just kind of spread them out. Yeah. Anyway, this has been your boy Ferris. I want to remind you guys, be blessed, not stressed. Always be motivated by success. Remember, click into Referral Frenzy. That will be one that you can use to kind of mail to a lot of places at one time. And like I said, some of them you'll see what you'll need to do to click through the ad ratings, and they'll show you before they send your mails out. And yeah, sign up 4 or 5. But my thing is too, you know, if I were you, I would just sign up for basically some of hers. These are all the sites that are owned by Mary. But you can sign up for all of them. It doesn't really matter. You know, you never know where, like I said, you'll never know where somebody's going to find you. Let me see. Hold on. Let's drag Safelist down here. Nope. Anyway, this has been your boy Fair. Be blessed and peace.